Resolution number 9, simplify vacant business. With Foremost, you can endorse a vacant policy up to a landlord policy if the home is rented. No need to cancel and rewrite. Foremost, for you, foremostagent.com.
Retail and wholesale brokers face the challenge and opportunity of redefining their relationships and value proposition in today's changing insurance distribution world, according to Glenn Hargrove, president of MarketScout Wholesale in Dallas, Texas. In this interview from the recent Western Insurance Agents Association Insurance Industry Roundtable in California, Hargrove discusses the future of distribution and the value proposition for agents and brokers.
I think there's several different areas. I think one is in expertise and product expertise and or industry expertise that those agents can bring. Then there's the aggregation effect of those people in the distribution chain being able to access a multitude of markets, or if you look at it in the reverse sense from the carrier, their ability to deliver to a carrier a multitude of clients and customers that carrier probably couldn't efficiently reach on their own. So it's a combination of the expertise and the talent and an access point. And to a certain degree, there's some benefit of outsourcing of services, providing things, whether it's underwriting services or policy issuance type work, or a variety of things that those intermediaries can do that are services that facilitate either the process of placing insurance for an insured or the process of securing the coverages for a carrier.
Hargrove says the insurance industry faces a challenge in retaining the technical insurance knowledge of the baby boomers while incorporating the new knowledge about technology that younger workers bring to the industry. But the bottom line is that the industry is changing and the distribution system is not immune. Looking out 5 years from now, how might the distribution system be different than it is today?
It's tough to say how things are going to end up changing. I think the biggest thing is that the companies that are involved in the distribution are really going to have to clearly establish what their value proposition is and why they fit into the equation, not just that they are in the middle of the equation, but why they're really there. I think we'll see hybrids of different kinds of companies. Clearly, you've already seen surplus lines companies that are wholesalers that not only distribute surplus lines products, but distribute admitted market products and act as program managers. You see some retailers that have their own marketing and distribution source, which if it's not a true wholesaler, at least emulate what wholesalers do. And there's a lot of hybrids of different models within that. So I think going forward, you'll see businesses that are much more tailored towards specific operations, but maybe don't look necessarily like the traditional form of either a retailer or a wholesaler as we've known it. The lines are gone, yeah. The lines are absolutely gone, and I think it's up to those firms participating in that space as we do to try to define what that role is and reshape your own box and your own value proposition within that, because the market will determine as to whether we're delivering value or not.